Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Coinbase Wallet to Uniswap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that your Coinbase Wallet is installed and funded with Ethereum or tokens. So the first thing that you should do is, of course, install your Coinbase Wallet if you haven't installed it yet. So search for the Coinbase Wallet extension and just wait for it to load. And once you see it, what you will have to do is basically just have to wait for the site to load, and then you will have to download your Coinbase Wallet and just click add extension, and then it will show up right away. And then what you will do is go back to your Uniswap website and then just click connect. So you see this button right here, and once you've added your Coinbase wallet, it should be visible here. So there you go. There you have your Coinbase wallet. So what you will do is basically just select that, and then after you select Coinbase wallet, a pop-up will show up, and then you will just go ahead and connect wallet, and then you will connect it to Coinbase, and then you will either log in using your credentials, or you can just scan the QR code if you're using your mobile phone. And then you will approve the connection in the wallet app. And finally, your wallet is connected and ready to swap tokens or provide liquidity. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.